What was that? Something's over there chasing bait or something. Oh, bad cast. Oh, nope. Good cast. I got him. Let's go. Nice. All right. Biggest one today so far. That's why I like a chatterbait, man. Chatterbait is a big fish bait. Oh, yeah. All right. Nice. I think he's bigger than that last one. I think so. Heck yeah. Yep. That's what I needed to do, is keep it right up on the grass. Oh, this one feels good too. Yeah, he's fat. Yeah, they just keep getting bigger and bigger. Look at that. It's nice. Oh, nice. Oh, this might be the biggest one of the day. Don't come off. Stay pinned. Oh, yeah. Come on. Come on. Nice. I'm on 2% battery. Oh, man. Look at that. 2% battery right now. That's crazy. Such a big body fish for something that's not even 3 pounds. He fought hard though.